Whether you are working from your RV or practically living in it, one of the essentials to invest in is an RV Wi-Fi booster. They act as a strong network receiver that keeps you connected even when you are far from the source. It increases the reliable connectivity of your existing network router, and ensures the internet is accessible on all your devices in the RV like mobiles and other smart devices. There are many products available to choose from Best RV Wi-Fi Booster, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best RV Wi-Fi Booster from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Securifi Almond RV Wi-Fi Booster. The best RV Wi-Fi booster is coming from a recognizable brand called Securifi. It is a highly versatile yet easy-to-use Wi-Fi router, as up to 95% of its existing users have managed to set up this device successfully within 3 minutes. There is a handy touchscreen wizard on the router itself, which makes it much easier to use. You won't need a computer to set up this device. It is compatible with 802.11 BGN wireless networks, and supports up to 300 megabits per second bandwidth, thanks to the dual antennas. There are 2 LAN ports and 1 WAN port available on the device for additional connectivity. It is a multi-purpose all-in-one option for your RV, as you will be able to use the Securifi Almond as a primary router in your RV, or as a range extender for your existing setup. It features a universal range extender mode that allows you to pair this device with any network without any problem. There is also a dedicated smartphone application support for the router, which allows you to tweak the configurations of the device right from your smartphone. Number 2. WiNeGard RV Wi-Fi Booster. The WiNeGard Connect 2.0 4G2 is an excellent Wi-Fi extender for those who want a long-term device. It provides an expanded network coverage from your RV that allows you to connect a number of devices to your networks, such as mobile devices, laptops, smartphones, and smart media players. WiNeGard allows linking to a nationwide 4G network, so that you are never out of coverage area with this Wi-Fi extender. Along with the Wi-Fi extender, you will find 20 feet long that allows interior as well as exterior mounting for the router. The WiNeGard is an upgrade over its previous Connect Wi-Fi extender, as now it supports a 2.4 GHz 802.11 BGN network for an even larger coverage area. As for security, WiNeGard has implemented WPA and WPA2 security protocols on the router. With the upgraded. Number 3. WiFi RV Wi-Fi Booster. If you strictly require a stable and secure 5G HC connection, you should take a look at the WiFi Bear Extender Outdoor RV Wi-Fi Booster. It is compact in size yet high performance. Keep in mind that this Wi-Fi extender is only designed for single computer usage, in order to provide uninterrupted service over a single device. There is a built-in 10x antenna on this device that can boost 2.4 GHz, as well as 5 GHz 802.11 ACN network. But it does not require any external power source, as it can be directly powered by the USB port present on your computer or laptop. The included USB cable is 16 feet in length and protected by integrated premium shielding for a long lifespan. You can use the device outdoors without any doubt, as it is certified by IP65 protection. This ensures high resistance to moisture and dust. Also, it is pre-treated with a suitable coating to prevent rusting. Number 4. WiNeGard WF3000 Wi-Fi Extender. With this Wi-Fi extender and booster from WiNeGard, you have the chance of securing a more secure internet connection in your recreational vehicle. It involves a quick and simple setup process. It even comes with easy-to-follow on-screen instructions, making the whole installation and setup process a breeze. It guarantees an extended Wi-Fi range within your recreational vehicle, with the help of its crucial components, including the power amp and high-performance antennas for external use. Both these components help increase the range and coverage of the product, while also promoting a quicker performance for each device. It provides highly advanced protected access for your Wi-Fi connection. It is made possible with the help of double firewall protection, service attack prevention, and guest network access. Number 5. Alpha Wi-Fi Camp 2 Wi-Fi Repeater Kit. This long-range Wi-Fi repeater kit from Alpha Network should be one of your top options if you want to invest in a reliable RV Wi-Fi antenna and repeater. You will never go wrong by choosing this Wi-Fi repeater kit, as it is designed to gain signal derived from a remote hotspot. It works well when you are camping or staying in a yacht or RV. The kit consists of an R36A portable router, as well as an outdoor antenna with high sensitivity. It also features USB wireless adapters that are compatible with use outdoors. With these components, you get a chance of enjoying more extended and convenient access to the internet, even if you are in a remote location. You can even expect the wireless adapter to fetch the remote wireless connection immediately. The R36A router, on the other hand, works efficiently in broadcasting the acquired signal to your gadgets and devices, thereby letting you enjoy better internet access. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.